You agree or not, but I am truly sold by the slogan of Django, that it makes you more productive writing your web application and building your backend. There are a couple of frameworks out there other than Django. Even in Python ecosystem, there's other frameworks like Pyramid, Flask, Sanic, Fast API, and besides of Python, if you talk about Java, there's framework like Spring, Quarkus, and in Ruby there's Ruby on Rails. But there's something unique about Django, and the unique selling point of Django that it provides working with your database much more easier and much more convenient. And let me show you the example. Beside the easiness, the other cool thing that it provides by default is tight integration between other services. Either it comes to creating new middleware or extending your application with some kind of caching or integrating some kind of event handling and make it more event driven with Apache Kafka or RabbitMQ. So it does provide a whole ecosystem of building a robust and efficient backend. So that's been a short overview of what Django could do for you. Let's show it in action by building a simple application and getting a glimpse of how the Django code looks like. So it's quite simple to create your first Django application. First you need to have Django installed. If not, you can simply do pip install -u and Django. I have already installed it, so there's no need to reinstall it again. After installation, you'll get a command called Django admin. So what it does, that it bootstrap your new Django applications with a single command. So if you need to look what other options Django admin provides, you can simply do Django admin -h. So it would list all those different commands that it provides under the hood. So you can say, see, there's a command like j, compile message, db shell, load data, start app. But let's see, we'll be majorly dealing with this two command as of now: start app and start project. So in a project, in Django terminology, basically in a project there lives couple of different applications, so that you need to understand this one terminology. At least in Django, one project can contain multiple applications. So keeping this in mind,